Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the equation in an exam. So watch this video up to the end as I'm going to share with you the steps you need to take when you're solving an equation of this kind in an exam. Remember, I'm using the question that came in last year's paper, that is 2021, paper 2, grade 9 mathematics. This was question number 1B. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this expression or this equation here. Once I've done that, then I'm going to get rid of the fraction. The fraction I'm talking about is this one. I'm going to get rid of that fraction. So what I'm going to do for me to get rid of that fraction, or to get rid of 2, which is a denominator in that fraction, I do not want to have a fraction in my expression. So what am I going to do? I'm going to multiply all terms by 2, and -1 will also be multiplied by 2, and x will be multiplied by 2 as well. Now when you look at that, that means we can cancel out 2 on top and 2 down in the first term. Okay, so we can cancel the green 2 there on the left side and the denominator 2 here. So I'm talking about the first term in this equation, which is x minus 3 over 2. So that means I can cancel 2 here and 2 down here. Then I'm going to remain with what? I'm going to remain with x minus 3. That's what I'll remain with. Then I'm going to multiply -1 by 2 will give me -2, which will be equal to x times 2. X times 2 will give me 2x, and that's what I'm remaining with after simplifying that equation by multiplying the terms by 2. That's what I'm remaining with. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write x. Then I'm going to say -3 minus 2 will give me -5, which will be equal to 2x. Okay, now once I've done that, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put like terms together. So that means I'm going to put 2x and x to one side of the equal sign. That will leave -5 alone. So I'm going to write -5 is equal to 2x. Then x is going to cross the equal sign. That means it will become a negative. So it will be minus x. So it will be minus x. Then once I've done that, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write -5. Then I simplify 2x minus x, which will give me x. Okay, that means the value of x in that equation is -5. The value of x in that equation is -5. So basically, this is how you solve the equation if there is a question that comes in an exam. Now, in case you are studying alone and then you want to know that you have gotten the correct answer. So how do you tell that you have gotten the correct answer? There is no teacher nearby you. There is no one who can help you. You're just maybe alone studying. Maybe you have woken up at night, you're studying. How do you tell that the answer you've gotten is correct? So I'm going to show you how you can tell that your answer is correct by proving. So what you do for you to tell that the answer you got is correct, you rewrite the same equation, okay, the way it is. Now, where there is x, you put the value you found. So like in this case, I found that the value of x is -5. That means wherever there is x, I'll put -5. So I'm going to say -5 minus 3 over 2, then -1 equals to -5. Where there is x, I'm putting the value, its value, which is -5. So as you can see, wherever there is x, I've put -5 because that's the answer I got. So once I've done that, then I'm going to start evaluating the equation. So -5 minus 3 will give me -8, which will be over 2 minus 1 is equal to -5. Once I've done that, I'm going to evaluate the fraction, which is -8 over 2. So when I divide -8 by 2, it will give me -4. Okay, that's the expression I'm talking about. That's a fraction I'm trying to evaluate. So when I evaluate -8 by 2, -8 over 2, I divide negative 8 by 2, it will give me negative 4. Then which will be minus 1, which will be equal to negative 5. Then I'm going to evaluate negative 4 minus 1. Negative 4 minus 1 will give me negative 5, which will be equal to negative 5. Now, as you can see, the equation is balanced. That means the answer we got is correct. So basically, this is how you prove that the answer you got is correct by doing this. This does not need you to have anyone to consult. You can consult yourself by doing this. Okay? If you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.